Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Natalia. I'm Natalia, and today I'll be showing you how to make delicious refreshments that you can enjoy on their own or mix into cocktails. We have a Raspberry Spritzer and a Kiwi Cucumber Cooler brought to you by 1907. I'd like to thank them for their support, so let's get into it. For the Raspberry Spritzer, you'll need a bottle of 1907 sparkling water, a cup of ice, mint, raspberries, limes, and a raspberry herbal tea bag. The first step for the Raspberry Spritzer would be to steep the raspberry tea bag. So we're going to put this in here. Take a bottle of 1907 sparkling water. Fill it up. Just like this. And we're going to let it sit for like 2 minutes. It smells so good. The next thing you're going to want to do is slice up a lime carefully. While the raspberry tea is steeping, we could just add a little bit of lime in here like this. Now that the tea bag has been steeping for about 2 minutes, we're going to remove it so we can have room for our extra ingredients. Okay. And we're going to add mint leaves, some raspberries, and an extra slice of lime, some ice. Oh yeah. And we're going to stir it up. And I also want to add some agave for some extra sweetness. So let's do that. I'm going to add some mint on top. And there you have it. Let's taste it. Thank you 1907 Water for such a delicious drink. For more recipes, please like, share, and comment.